Okay, so if you have one of these Nissan Rogue, I have a Nissan Rogue SV Sport, and I'm having this issue that my lift gate, as you can see here, they have a garage setting, and see, it doesn't go all the way up. And then when I walk by, if I don't duck, my head will hit the door. So the way to fix this is, once you open it with your key, you could push it wherever you want. See, I just push it. It has resistance, so let's say I want it higher or lower, you could set whichever you want it to. And then once you set it up to the height you want it to, you hold this button right here for 3 seconds. You hear it beeping, and now apparently it should be set to this height, so now I can walk without hitting my head. So let's test it out. We're gonna close it. Yep, and now we're gonna open it, and it should open all the way up. So you can see now it's open all the way up, and that's a setting that I didn't know this thing had. So I hope this video helped.